Discuss maths first chapter matrices and determinants, exercise number 1.3, third sum. A salesperson Ravi has the following record of sales for the month of January, February and March 2009 for three products A, B and C. He has been paid a commission at fixed rate per unit but at varying rates for products A, B and C. Here given sales in units A, B, C, months commission is given. January 9, 10, 2, 800. February 15, 5, 4, 900. March 6, 10, 3, 850. Find the rate of commission payable on A, B and C per unit sold using matrix inversion method. We should use the matrix inversion method. Solution: let x, y, z represent the rate of commission payable on A, B and C respectively. So we should take this is A, B, C is we should take x, y and z we should take so what is here 9x, the first equation 9x plus 10y plus 2z equal to 800, the first equation. The second equation is February, we should take a second equation 15x plus 5y plus 4z equal to 900. Next 6x 10y plus 3z equal to 850. This is the second equation. This is the third equation. Given the equations, matrix form as we should write in the matrix form the elements 9, 10, 2. Next row is 15, 5, 4. Next row is 6, 10, 3 into x, y, z equal to 800, 900, 850. It is in the form of Ax equal to B form. Ax is equal to B form. So where A equal to the matrix is 9, 10, 2, 15, 5, 4, 6, 10, 3. Next x equal to x, y, z, B equal to 800, 900, 850. This equation we should write x is left side, we should take x is equal to A is take right hand side, A inverse B. So we should write x equal to A inverse B is the formula. So we should find out first one A inverse. First A inverse exists or not we should find out. Determinant of A we should find out. Determinant of A equal to determinant of A matrix is 9, 10, 2, 9, 10, 2, 15, 5, 4, 6, 10, 3. So determinant value we should find out. Row wise we should find out 9. The straight row and the column eliminate 5, 4, 10, 3. 5, 4, 10, 3. Minus is a symbol. Next row 10. The straight row and the column eliminate 15, 4, 6, 3. 15, 4, 6, 3. Next row plus 2. The straight row and the column eliminate 15, 5, 6, 10. 15, 5, 6, 10. Now it's find out this value. 9 into 5 3s are 15 minus 10 into 4 is 40 minus 10 into 15 into 3 is 45 minus 6 4s are 24 plus 2 into 15 into 10 is 150 minus 6 5s are 30. It is equal to 9 into 15 minus 40 is minus 25 minus 10 into 45 minus 24 is 21 plus 2 into 150 minus 30 is 120. We should multiply here. 9 into minus 25 is minus 225 minus 10 into 21 is 210 plus 2 into 120 is 240 equal to its value is add then minus 195. It's not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Next we should find out it's A inverse we should find out. So adjoint of A equal to, we know the formula Aij transpose. Adjoint A equal to Aij transpose. Aij we know that. First one, cofactor of 9 is a modulus of the straight row and column eliminate 5 4 10 3 5 4 10 3. Next minus is a symbol. Cofactor of 10 now the straight row and column eliminate 15 4 6 3 15 4 6 3. Next cofactor of 2 is a the straight row and the column eliminate 15 5 6 10 15 5 6 10. Next is the cofactor of 15 the straight row and the column eliminate here plus next is a minus straight row and column eliminate 10 2 10 3 10 2 10 3. Next plus is a symbol. Cofactor of 5 the straight row and the column eliminate 9 2 6 3 9 2 6 3. Next is the minus is a symbol. Cofactor of 4 the straight row and the column eliminate 9 10 6 10 9 10 6 10. Next is a cofactor of 6 symbol is a plus. Cofactor of 6 is the straight row and column eliminate 10 to 5 4 10 to 5 4. Next symbol is minus. Cofactor of 10 the straight row and the column eliminate 9 to 15 4 9 to 15 4. Next symbol is a plus. Cofactor of 3 the straight row and the column eliminate 9 10 15 5 9 10 15 5. Whole power transpose is a adjoint A. So we should find out this value. 5 3s are 15 minus 10 4s are 40. Next is a minus is a symbol. Minus of 15 into 3 is a 45 minus 6 4s are 24. Next 15 into 10 is a 150 minus 6 5s are 30. Next minus is a symbol. Minus of 10 into 3 30 minus 10 2s are 20. Next 9 3s are 27 minus 6 2s are 12. Next is a minus is a symbol. Minus 9 tens are 90 minus 6 into 10 is 60. Next 10 into 4 is 40 minus 5 twos are 10. Next minus is the symbol minus of 9 fours are 36 minus 15 into 2 is 30. 9 fives are 45 minus 15 into 10 is 150. Is equal to 15 minus 40 is minus 25 minus of 45 minus 24 is 21 minus 21. 150 minus 30 is 120 minus of 30 minus 20 is plus 10. 10 into minus is minus 10. 27 minus 12 is 15. 90 minus 60 is plus 30. 30 into minus is minus 30. 40 minus 10 is plus 30. 36 minus 30 is minus plus 6. Plus into minus is minus 6. 45 minus 150 is minus 105. So transpose. So transpose value we should find out. It is a adjoint A. So transpose is a rows or columns. Columns are rows. The first row we should write the first column. Minus 25, minus 21, 120. Next row is a minus 10, 15, minus 30. Next is a plus 30, minus 6, minus 105. It is a adjoint A. We should find out A inverse. A inverse equal to, we know that the formula A inverse equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint A. We know that the formula. So we should substitute this value here. 1 divided by determinant of A value, we know that minus 195. 195 minus adjoint A, we know that adjoint A is this matrix. We should write minus 25, minus 10, 30, minus 10, 30, minus 21, 15, minus 6, 120, minus 30, minus 105. 120, minus 30, minus 105. So we should it is a inverse. We know that the equation x equal to A inverse B. We substitute this values here. X is, we know that x equal to xyz. xyz. A inverse, we know that 1 divided by minus 195, minus 25, minus 10, 30, minus 21, 15, minus 6, 120, minus 30, minus 105. Next is the B value. B is, we know that 800, 900, 850. 800, 900, 850. This is a B value. So we should multiply this. It's a multiplication. We should take that is equal to 1 divided by minus 195. So multiple values is minus the straight first row and the first column we should multiply. So minus 25 into 800 is minus 20,000. minus into plus is a minus, 10 into 900 is a 9000. Next plus 30 into 850 is a plus 25,500. Next is the second row, this first column, minus 21, minus into plus is a minus, 21 into 800 is a 16,800. Next plus into plus is a plus, 15 into 900 is a 13,000, minus 6 into 850 is a minus 5,100, minus 5,100. Next 120 into 800, 96,000. Next minus 30 into 900, minus plus into minus is a minus, 3 nines are 27, 27,000. Next minus into plus is a minus, 105 into 850 is a 89,250, 89,250. We should add this 1 divided by minus 195 into its addition value is its you should negative values we should add, and separately we should subtract from 25,500 is minus 3,500. Next negative values we should add and subtract from 13,500 is minus 8,400. Next 96,000, negative values we should add and subtract from 96,000 is minus 20,250. So it's subtract, then add and subtract, then we get these values. Next we should take 195 is inside equal to minus 3,500 divided by minus 195. Next minus 8,400 divided by minus 195. Next is minus 20,250 divided by minus 195. It's a divide, then we should get these values. Okay, minus minus cancel, 3,500 divided by 195 is 17.95. 8 minus minus cancel, 8,400 divided by 195 is 43.80. Minus minus cancel, 20,250 divided by 195 is 103.85. X, Y, Z 17.5, X is Y is 43.80, Z is 103.85. Hence the rate of commission payable on A, B and C are 17.95%, 43.80%, 103.85%. That's all. 11th standard business maths, matrices and determinants, exercise 1.3, fifth sum. The sum of the three numbers is 20. We know that let the record numbers be x, y and z. Three numbers we should take x, y and z. It's a sum, three numbers, so sum is what 20 is given. So what is the x plus y plus z equal to 20. If we multiply the first by 2, the first number is multiplied by 2, so 2x, and add the second number plus second number is y, we should add, and subtract the third is what, subtract minus z, third is z, equal to, we get 23. Next if we multiply the first by 3, first number we should multiply by 3x, and add second and third. So add second and third. Second is what, y, plus third is z, equal to, we get 46. By using matrix inversion method, find the numbers. So matrix inversion method we should use to find these numbers. So matrix form is form as, what is the coefficient of x 1, y is 2, 1, z is also 1. So 1, 1, 1. Second row is 2, 1, minus 1. 2, 1, minus 1. Third is 3, 1, 1. 3, 1, 1. It is x, y, z. The form is x, y, z. We should multiply by these two matrices and we get this equation equal to 20, 23, 46. It is in the form of ax equal to b, ax equal to b, where a equal to, the matrix is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 3, 1, 1. Next, x equal to x, y, z. X is x, y, z. B is 20, 23, 46. 20, 23, 46. This is a B matrix. So we should find out A inverse. We know that this formula is x equal to, it's A is, we should take right hand side, A inverse B. X equal to A inverse B. So we should find out A inverse first. A inverse, then A inverse exists or not, we should find out. So determinant of A we should find out. Determinant of A equal to determinant of 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 3, 1, 1. So determinant value we should find out. 1, determinant of the first row, first column eliminate. 1, minus 1, 1, 1. Minus 1 is 1 here. The straight row and the column eliminate. 2, minus 1, 3, 1. 2, minus 1, 3, 1. Next is the plus 1 determinant of the straight row and the column eliminate. 2, 1, 3, 1. 2, 1, 3, 1. Find this value. 1 into 1 answer 1. 1 into 1 is minus 1 is a minus 1. Already minus 1 here. Minus into minus plus 1. Minus 1 into 2 ones are 2. Minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus into minus is plus 3. Plus 1 into 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 3 into 1 is 3. So we should add into 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 1 into 2 plus 3 is 5. Plus 1 into 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So 1 2s are 2. 1 into 5 is minus 5. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 equal to 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. Now adjoint A we should find out. Adjoint A equal to, we know the formula, cofactor of A, it's a transpose is adjoint A. Cofactor of A we know that, cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1 is the straight row and the column eliminate. 1 minus 1, 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 1, 1. Next minus is a symbol. Cofactor of 1, the straight row and the column eliminate. 2 minus 1, 3, 1. 2 minus 1, 3, 1. Next is plus cofactor of 1, the straight row and the column eliminate. 2 1 3 1, 2 1 3 1. Next is a cofactor of 2. The straight row and the column eliminate. Symbol is minus 1 1 1 1, 1 1 1 1. Next is a plus is a symbol. Cofactor of 1, the straight row and the column eliminate. 1 1 3 1, 1 1 3 1. Next minus is a symbol. Cofactor of minus 1 in the straight row and the column eliminate. 1 1 3 1, 1 1 3 1. Next plus is a symbol. Cofactor of 3 in the straight row and the column eliminate. 1 1 1 minus 1, 1 1 1 minus 1. Next symbol is minus. Cofactor of 1, the straight row and the column eliminate. 1 1 2 minus 1, 1 1 2 minus 1. Next cofactor of 1, the straight row and the column eliminate. 1 1 2 1, 1 1 2 1. Transpose. It's a adjoint A. Adjoint A equal to, it's a multiple this value. 1 into 1 is what? 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus into minus is a plus 1. Next minus is a symbol. 2 ones are 2. Minus is a symbol here. 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3. Next 2 ones are 2. Minus 3 ones are 3. Next minus of 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 1 into 1 is a 1. Next 1 into 1 1. 3 ones are 3. Minus 3. Next minus of 1 into 1 is a 1. Minus 3 into 1 is a 3. Next 1 into 1 is a 1. So minus is the symbol minus 1. Minus of 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1. 2 into 1 is a 2. Already minus here. Minus 2. Next 1 into 1 is 1. 2 ones are 2. Minus 2. It is equal to 1 plus 1 is a 2. 2 plus 3 is a 5. Minus 5. 2 minus 1 is a 2 minus 3 is a minus 1. Minus of 1 minus 1 is a 0. 0 into minus is what? 0. 1 minus 3 is a minus 2. 1 minus 3 is a minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. Minus 1 is a minus 2. Minus of minus 1 minus 2 is a minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3. 1 minus 2 is a minus 1. So transpose is a adjoint A. Transpose. So transpose value is, what is the rows are columns, columns are rows. The first row 2 minus 5 minus 1. Second row 0 minus 2 plus 2. Next third row is a column we should change. Minus 2 3 minus 1. So it's a transpose. Adjoint A equal to 2 0 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1. So we know that the formula A inverse equal to 1 divided by determinant of A adjoint A is the formula. So we know that 1 divided by determinant of A is what? Minus 4. Adjoint A, we know that adjoint A equal to 2 0 minus 2. 2 0 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2 3 minus 5 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 1. It is A inverse. We know that x equal to A inverse B is the formula. X equal to A inverse B. We should substitute this value. X is x, y, z. X value. A inverse, we know that 1 divided by minus 4 into 2 0 minus 2 minus 5, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1. B matrix is a, we know that B is a 20, 23, 46. So we should multiply this 1 divided by minus 4. The first row, first column. First row, first column we should multiply. 2 into 20 is what? 40. 2 to the 4. 0 into 23 is 0. Minus 2 into 46 is minus 92. Minus 5 next row, second row, first column. Minus 5 into 20 is minus 100. Minus 2 into 23 is minus 46. 3 into 46 is plus 138. Next third row, first column. Minus 1 into 20 is minus 20. 2 into 23 is plus 46. Minus 1 into 46 is minus 46. That is equal to 1 divided by minus 4. We should add 40 minus 92 is minus 52. Minus 100 minus 46 is minus 146. Minus 146 plus 138 is minus 8. Plus 46 minus 46 cancel, minus 20. Next we should divide by minus 4. Minus 52 divided by minus 4. Minus 8 divided by minus 4. Minus 20 divided by minus 4. So it's a divide, then we get so minus minus cancel. 52 divided by 4 is 13. 8 minus minus cancel. 2 4s are 8. So 2 times 20 and 4 is 5 times. So minus 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 cancel. So 13 2 5. X equal to 13, y equal to 2, z equal to 5. X equal to 13, y equal to 2, z equal to 5. The required numbers are 13, 2 and 5. That's all.